Vintage Girl Next Door. My name is Lacey and today I'm going to show you how to get this Dita Bun hairstyle, and I will style it two ways, with a hat as you see here and also with a hair flower. So if you want to see how I got this Dita Bun, then stick around. Hello, let's do this. So first I am just going to brush through my hair, and this style really works best on kind of dirtier hair. So if it has been several days since you washed it, that's probably the best for this style. And I'm just brushing through with my wet brush, and then flip my head over and brush all of it forward because we're going to do a super high ponytail. So I'm just getting it all smoothed out and brushed forward. Now I'm switching to my Spornet backcombing brush just to smooth it a little bit better. And take your time because you really do want all of the sides and the back to be smooth. And then you want it a little bit off center. So I'm just doing a super high little off center ponytail on the top of my head. Cute. And now I'm just going to take my Big Sexy Hairspray and Play to smooth down some of those flyaways. And now I'm going to take a small section and I'm just going to wrap it around the end of the ponytail so that you don't see the elastic, and I'm just going to bobby pin that in place on the underneath side because that's where the bun is going to go. Now I am taking some Moroccan oil to add some shine and smoothness to my ponytail. This hairstyle looks really nice. Dita Bun always has super shiny, beautiful hair, and so if you add a little hair oil, that can always help add some shine. Just working that through and rubbing it in the ends of my hair. They tend to get pretty dry. And now we are going to do a little bit of teasing. So I'm just taking small sections of hair and using my back combing brush because we don't need it to be a super tight tease, just kind of a light one to add some volume. And I'm just sectioning that and using the back combing brush to add some teasing in. And then I am smoothing over the outside edge. And now I'm going to roll the hair under and form the bun. And I like it to sit a little bit down on my forehead. If you look at photos of Dita Bun, that's how hers is, kind of set down a little bit. And I'm just working with the hair, smoothing and spreading it out, and then putting in some bobby pins. And as you can see, it takes a little bit of fiddling to get it the way you want, but just keep working with it until it starts to look like you want it to. And as you can see, I'm just kind of molding it and shaping it, making adjustments as needed. And we'll add some hairspray for those flyaways. Don't know what that was. And you can use like a hair donut or like a hair rat if you have one. I don't have one for red hair anymore. I used to have one for black hair, but I do not have one at the moment. But I think this method works just as well, just to do some teasing and shape it yourself. I decided that side wasn't looking the way I wanted it to, so just gonna fix that a little bit. And you can always add more bobby pins as needed. I only ended up using a couple in this, but I mean, just go with what you feel. If it needs more to feel secure, then go for it. Now I'm getting closer to the shape that I want, and so I'm adding more hairspray. So, yeah, just make sure it's nice and smooth in the back, no flyaways. So there you can see how it looks on the top with the hair wrapped around. And then I added this hair flower right there, and I thought that that looked pretty nice. So you can do a hair flower, or you can style it with a hat. So I decided to show you both ways. And yeah, this is the final look. I like the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this hairstyle, and if you do, make sure you tag me. I would love to see. Thanks so much for watching this Dita Bun tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like more of the Vintage Girl Next Door, you can follow me on Instagram. I am there at LaceyFaye. I would love to have you along for the ride. And also, if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and feel free to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye!